Our beautiful waterfall is all dried up. Well, not completely dried up. I doubt you can see it in there with the sun. But I'm noticing a lot more rock in here, I think, than there used to be. There's even a couple of fresh evidence pieces, fractured pieces that I talk about. So I wonder if they're going to change up this beauty in here. You can see a little bit of work going on back there. I don't know. It's hard to say. I'm not walking up in there today. I don't have the right shoes. It's actually easier to walk on the big rock with the wrong shoes than the little rock. These things are rocky rocks. Peace out from the Rockford Files.